Hello everyone, welcome back to Kalparuksha classes, and today's target is this mathematics practice paper 2 January 2022 from Department of Public Instructions at Tumkur South. Alright, so this is a mathematics question paper, and we are going to solve all 1 mark questions. So whatever 1 mark questions are there in the question paper, how many questions will be there? 8 questions will be there, and we are going to solve them. Already MCQ series, it's already done, and of 5 question papers we have targeted, and the link is there in the description, the playlist of this SSLC MCQs. So whatever SSLC maths MCQs are there, that link is given in the description. The playlist link is there. Go and visit those MCQs also, and make it sure that you are watching these 1 mark questions to get 8 out of 8 without fail. Alright then, so let us see the first question. So here is the first question. Answer the following. You can look here, 8 into 1. Here is the 9th question. After 8 MCQs, we are going to get the 9th question. Minus 10 comma minus 3 comma 4 dot is in AP, then it should become then. Okay, so then find the common difference. We have to find out the common difference. Look at this AP. What is the given AP? Given AP is going to be minus 10 comma minus 3 comma 4 dot. All right, and the common difference is going to be second term minus first term. Second term is minus 3, then minus of first term is minus 10. All right, so it becomes minus 3 plus 10, and it becomes 7. So the common difference becomes 7. All right, moving forward to the 10th question, state Thales theorem. So what is Thales theorem? All right, so let us draw the diagram so that we understand about it. So here is a triangle, for example. So we have got a triangle. Let us name it as ABC. And afterwards, if there is a line which is parallel to BC, for example, here is a line which is, let me name it as X and Y, XY, and it is going to meet this AB at one point. Let us call this as D, and let us call this as E. All right, so what does theorem says? We'll write the statement. First of all, we should know what is the meaning of this. If xy is parallel to BC, whatever this xy is there, no, if this is parallel to this BC, it is intersecting this AB at D and AC at E, then we are going to have, then we will have AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Look at this, AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Alright, so you can write the statement now. What is the statement? If a line is drawn, parallel to, one side of a triangle, to intersect other two sides, at 2 points, then that line divides those two sides in equal proportion. So this is a statement. All right, try to understand this. There is a line which is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, that is BC. All right, so intersect two sides at 2 points D and E. Then we are going to have AD divided by DB equal to AE divided by EC. That's it. No, it is going to divide it in equal proportion. If it is 2 and 4, then this has to be 3 and 6. Ratio should be same. So 2 ratio to 4 and 3 ratio to 6, both are 1 by 2 only. All right, I hope the concept is quite clear. So let us read the statement one more time. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, to intersect other two sides at 2 points, then that line divides those two sides in equal proportion, that is AD divided by DB equal to AE divided by EC. Quite a simple thing. Moving forward to the 11th question, check whether pair of linear equations are x plus y equal to 5 and 2x plus y equal to 10 are consistent or not. Alright, so what are the given equations? The first equation is x plus y is equal to 5. And what is the second equation? 2x plus y is equal to 10. They are in the similar pattern, right? They are similar. I mean, look at this. I mean, constant term is on right side and here also on right side. You can directly compare it like a1x plus b1y is equal to c1. If you bring this 5 this side, it becomes minus 5. If you bring this 10 this side, it becomes minus 10. And again, minus and minus, they are going to get cancelled. So you can solve like this. Alright, so it becomes what? a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. So what is the value of a1? 1. What is the value of b1? 1. What is the value of c1? 5. Similarly, what is the value of a2? 2. What is the value of b2? b2 is 1. Look at this. Then what is the value of c2? c2 is 10. Find out a1 by a2. So what is the value of a1 by a2? 1 by 2. Alright. Find the value of b1 by b2. b1 by b2 is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is nothing but 1. Look at this. a1 by a2 is 1 by 2 and b1 by b2 is 1. So what does it mean? It means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So they have how many solution? They are going to have a unique solution. So unique solution means definitely the equations are consistent. That is for sure. Equations are going to be consistent. So we'll write therefore equations are consistent. If they have unique solution or infinitely many solution, at both the cases the equations are going to be consistent. No solution is a condition means then the equations are going to be inconsistent. Alright, I hope this data is known to everyone. Alright, fine then. Moving forward to the 12th question. Write the formula to find length of the arc of a sector with angle at the center theta. Alright, there is a circle here. There is a circle and here is the center O and here is the sector here. And we have angle theta. Definitely it is a circle means radius should be there. Now they are asking us to find the length of the arc. Alright, length of the arc means this one AB. So we are going to write here length of arc. Length of arc AB. It is going to be theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So this is the length of the arc. Alright, fine then. Moving forward to the next question. Find the distance between the point 4, 3 and origin. Alright, so 4, 3 is the point here. Alright, so let us name it as A and here is the point B and it is the origin means it is 0, 0. So it is you can name it as a x1, y1 and this one as a x2, y2. Otherwise directly also you can do it. But how to write theoretically I am saying. AB is equal to what it becomes? It becomes x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Alright, so it becomes under root 0 minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. So it becomes under root minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. So it becomes under root 16 plus 9. Alright, so it becomes AB is equal to under root 25. Under root 25 is 5 units. So how much is this? This is going to be 5 units. So this is the distance between the point 4, 3 and origin. Alright, directly also you can do it. There is a direct formula. AB is equal to under root x square plus y square when one point is origin. Alright, whenever it is origin, right? This is the normal method how we do. This is how you better do it in exam. Otherwise, you can do it like this also. When one is origin, you can go for this formula directly. So look at this. You have to call this as x. So it becomes 4 square plus 3 square. Then it becomes 16 plus 9 and it becomes root 25 and it is 5 units. So like this also you can do it. There is no issue in doing like this. Alright, but I prefer you to go as per the standard method for the board exam. Alright, for other things, for your NTSC and for all other competitive exams, you can go like this, but for your board exam, go like this. So that, you feel comfortable. Alright, fine then. So 14th question, write the general form of quadratic equation. Very, very important question. Many people make mistake in this. General form of quadratic equation. So what is the general form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where A is not equal to 0, very important. Okay, many people don't write this condition. You must write this condition where A is not equal to 0. This condition must be there. Alright, so this is the proper answer. Fine then, moving forward to the next question. How many number of parallel tangents can be drawn at the end point of diameter? Look at this. Diameter means there must be a circle. Here is a circle, and here is the center, and here we have got one diameter. So let me name it as AOB. So how many number of parallel tangents can be drawn at the end of the diameter? How many we can draw? Look at this. This will be one tangent. Alright, and this will be another tangent, and these will be definitely parallel, because this is also 90 and here also 90. These are alternate interior angles. Here also 90, here also 90. So that's why two parallel tangents. So what is the answer for this? Two parallel tangent, or one pair you can write. Not two pair, one pair, or two parallel tangents. Two parallel tangents can be drawn. Or you can just write one pair of parallel tangents. Two should not mean like two pair. Okay, this two in number, but this is one pair. Okay, fine then. Moving forward to the 16th question. If 15 cot A is equal to 8, then find the value of sine A. Alright, so cot A you know, right? So 15 cot A is equal to 8. Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Alright, so what do you mean by cot A is equal to 8 by 15? So here is the triangle A, B, C, and here it is 90 degree, and let us take this as A. Alright, so here it is the A angle, right? So what do you mean by cot? Cot is opposite of tan, no? What is tan? Opposite divided by adjacent, and cot means adjacent divided by opposite. So what is the adjacent? 8. What is the opposite? 15. So we got this as 8 and this as 15. Alright, now what they're asking about sine A. So look at this, sine A we want now. So if you want sine A, here is the angle A, right? So for sine A, we want opposite divided by hypotenuse. That's why we have to find out the hypotenuse. Let us find out the hypotenuse now. So how to do that? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So what is AB square? 8 square, plus what is BC square? 15 square. It is 64 plus 225. So how much it becomes? 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8, and it becomes 289. So AC square is equal to 289, and AC is equal to under root 289 means don't you think it is 17? 17. AC is equal to 17 we are going to get. Alright, because under root 289 means that is 17, no? 17 square is 289, you know this or not? So let us confirm. 17 into 7, 17, 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7, 11, plus then 17. Look at this, here it is 289. So square root of 289 is 17. So we got this as 17, means now easily we can find out sine A, right? So sine A is equal to opposite. What is the opposite here? BC is the opposite. So BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So it becomes BC divided by AC. So BC is 15 and AC is 17. So sine A is equal to 15 divided by 17 is the answer. Alright, fine. So these were the 8 questions from the model question paper. I will be coming with another 2. Total target is 5 question paper. Already I have solved 3. This is the third one. Alright, make it sure that you are watching the MCQ series also, which will make your marks compulsory. And definitely I will come to 2 marks question series also, where I will be solving all the questions of 2 marks from 5 question papers. Alright then, thank you very much. Have a good day and bye-bye.